music of the soul. Sweet, sublime and elevating, cool, fragrant and sublimating is the music of the soul. Hearken in the silence of the night, lotuses bloom. In the stillness of the mind, the spirit unfolds. In the serenity of the lake, the moon reflects. In the tranquility of the heart, the soul shines. Soft as dawn, white as sunlight, sweet as the melody of eternity. Soham Asmi, I am that am I. Shri Raam, Jai Raam, Jai Jai Raam. When you become deeply involved with the inquiry, who am I? Listen to the music. Turn to your soul. And as you discover, your soul is the sun, not a reflected sun. So therefore, all souls are essentially one and the same. So the identity with your little soul, Jivatma, that stops the melody of eternity. But moving away from that identity means you are listening to the music of the soul. Identified with body, you are listening to the discordant sound of mortality, all grief, etc. But as your attention moves to create melody by harmonizing the chords of your personality. And now, what opens up a window to the glimpse of eternity. That's what I mean by music of the soul.